There were so many questions, I cannot guarantee that your question will get asked. So without further ado, each candidate gets about a half hour, and we start with the independent candidate, State Treasurer Timothy Cahill.
Thank you, Bob, and thank you to you all. Thank you to the Perkins School for the Blind for this opportunity to be here today. I will tell you it is somewhat intimidating to be here in this audience because I know that none of the answers that I can give you, or maybe any of the other candidates, can fully address all the issues that folks with disabilities have, folks who are affected by the safety net have in these difficult times that we're in. I certainly don't want to give you different answers to this audience than I've given to others. I believe that we have to first work on fixing our economy so that we can bring in the revenue that we need for state government, but also so that we can create opportunities for people. It'll be greater and easier for us to create opportunities for those who are disabled once we start to expand our economy and put people back to work. That's why I'm here today. That's why I'm running as an independent for this office, because I believe that we need independent ideas and a new beginning separate from the old party system. Again, I thank you for the opportunity to be here today. I will do my very best to answer the questions that I can, but more importantly, I will work very, very hard if I am elected to govern to make sure that the needs of the disabled, those who are physically and mentally challenged, are at the forefront of my administration in any way, shape, or form that I can. Thank you.